Let's start by first opening Shotcut. We'll learn how to quickly add audio to a video in this comprehensive tutorial. First, navigate to the specific folder containing your audio and video files carefully. Select the video file you want to specifically work with and click Open to easily add it to Shotcut. Once you've successfully added the video, it will automatically start playing in the preview window clearly. Now, let's focus on effectively adding the audio track. To do this, we need to carefully add it to the timeline section. You can do this conveniently by clicking on the timeline menu, located at the very top of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select the Track Operations option available. This will open a new window with various track-related options for you. From here, click on the Add Audio Track button to proceed. This will allow you to add multiple audio tracks to your video project seamlessly and easily. Remember, adding an audio track allows you to layer multiple audio files with your video, giving you more creative control. To add audios quickly, navigate back to the folder and select the specific ones you want to merge with the video already in the timeline. Adding multiple audios at once in Shotcut offers a significant advantage, as it enables you to work more efficiently, saving considerable time and effort in the editing process. Hi and welcome, educators and creators. Allowing you to creatively experiment with different audio tracks, seamlessly blending them together, and ultimately enhancing the overall quality of your final product. Now, navigate to the playlist on the left side of your screen, select Audio 1, and carefully drag it down to the timeline below. Ensure that the audio track starts exactly where the video begins, so they're perfectly aligned and synchronized for the best viewing experience. As you can see, our first audio track is now clearly visible on the timeline, and a small gap will appear where the video ends, indicating that we might need to adjust the audio length accordingly. Now that we have our first audio in place, let's add the remaining audios in the correct order. To do this, simply drag and drop each audio file from the playlist to the timeline, ensuring they're in the correct sequence. As you add each audio, make sure they're attached seamlessly, with each subsequent audio starting exactly where the previous one ends. However, if there's a natural pause or transition between audios, you can leave a small gap. In my case, since I'm familiar with the video content, I'll place the audios accordingly, ensuring a smooth flow. For instance, I'll make sure audio 2 starts precisely where I'm presenting a new point, creating a cohesive narrative. By carefully placing each audio, we can create a polished and engaging final product. To adjust the audio volume, simply navigate to the volume button and click on it to adjust the volume level to your desired setting. Now, let's play back our project to test the audio and ensure everything sounds as expected. Hi and welcome, educators and creators. Are you looking for ways to make lesson planning and content creation easier, faster, and more engaging? In this video, discover how to harness the power of ChatGPT to create educational lesson plans, YouTube video descriptions, tags, and thumbnails that drive learning and boost your online presence. Whether you're a teacher, tutor, or YouTuber, learn how to use ChatGPT to streamline your content creation process, save time, and focus on what matters most, educating and inspiring your audience. Now, simply type or ask here what you like your lesson or video to focus on. When you're done, click Enter, and ChatGPT will generate your video description for you. Now, let's split audios to isolate specific segments and play them independently with the video. To split the end part of an audio, click Split at Playhead. This will separate the end part from the rest of the audio. If you want to delete the unwanted part, simply click on it and press the Delete key on your keyboard. Please remember that if you delete a part of the audio, it's important to at least play background music to maintain the flow. Alternatively, if you don't like a particular section, you can choose to remove it completely for a smoother experience. Now, simply type Generate. You can also click Undo to restore the audio to its original state. To split an audio in the middle, move the playhead to the desired location. Click on the audio to highlight it, then navigate to the playhead and click Split. Play the video or move the playhead bar to the next desired split location. They help YouTube's algorithm understand. Highlight the section you want to remove and repeat the steps. To reposition an audio clip, click and hold, then drag it to the desired location. To undo any changes, simply click the Undo button again. Layering multiple audio tracks in Shotcut with the same speech, speed, and volume can enhance your project's clarity and impact. This technique creates a cohesive sound experience, making your message resonate more effectively. Consistent audio characteristics prevent distractions, while the added depth can engage your audience better. Now, this is what happens when you drag a part of another audio track on top of an existing part of another audio track in Shotcut. The original audio will be replaced by the new audio segment you are adding, essentially overwriting it completely. Overwriting audio or dragging one track over another in Shotcut has some downsides. You might lose your original audio, making it hard to recover later. It can also confuse your timeline, causing alignment problems and overlaps. This makes it harder to adjust each track, affecting the overall quality of your project. To export our video, navigate to the Export tab. Click on it, and you'll find various formats listed on the left-hand side, which you can use to save your video. Scroll down to the bottom to see all the available formats. I recommend using the YouTube format, as it's widely suggested. Simply click on it to select it. Next, navigate to Export File, and click on it again. Enter your desired file name, and then choose your preferred Save As type from the drop-down list. For my videos, I usually opt for MP4. It's important to save a video in Shotcut with its actual name. This not only helps you stay organized but also makes it easier for viewers to find your content on YouTube. A clear and relevant title can significantly boost visibility and engagement. So, always remember to save with the name you want your audience to see. Once you click Save, the job will start processing in the Jobs section. The time it takes to save depends on the size of your video. Shorter videos save faster, while longer videos take more time. While it's saving the project, let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty of using Shotcut. This powerful, user-friendly software allows you to create stunning videos without breaking the bank. Its versatile features empower your creativity, making editing a joyful experience. In our next lesson, we'll dive into merging videos with audio, unlocking even more possibilities for your projects. After the export is complete, navigate to the folder where you saved the video and play it. As a reminder, I've included a link in the video description to download Shotcut. Hi and welcome, educators and creators. Are you looking for ways to make lesson planning and content creation easier, faster, and more engaging? Thank you for watching. Please visit my playlist on Best Tools for Presentations and Tutorials, How to Create Engaging Content. You'll find more useful tools to make your work easier. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content.